How to turn on X or Twitter sensitive content settings. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So the process is very easy and simple. However, we will not be using X Twitter app. Instead, we will be using a mobile browser. So go ahead and open up any browser you have. And once you do that, search for Twitter X and then log into your account. Now, once you're here, click on the profile or picture icon at the top left corner, then click on Settings and Support, drop down at the bottom, then click on Settings and Privacy. And on this page right here, click on Privacy and Safety. And from the Activity section, click on Content UC. Now, on this page right here, there are two options that you need to modify in order to turn on and enable the sensitive content. The first one is this option that says display media that may contain sensitive content. So go ahead and turn this on, and this will allow you to show the media of sensitive content. And the second option is click on search settings, and you will see that this option says hide sensitive content, and it says this prevents posts with potentially sensitive content from displaying in your search results, so turn this off. And by doing this, you have just enabled the sensitive content on your Twitter X account. It's that easy and simple. So that is it for this video. That's how you can enable the sensitive content settings on your Twitter X account. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.